Hi everybody, how's it going? In this video I'm presenting my third project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. The task was to create a Django web application that emulates an e-commerce shop in the style of eBay, where people can create listings, make comments, place bids, and various other functionality. So let's get right into it. On the home page, you can see a list of all the currently active listings in the shop. When I click on a link, I'm directed to the listing page, which contains information about the article, such as the title, description, the price, etc. The articles are sorted into categories, which we can inspect by following the link in the header. In this way, we can have the site display only the articles that belong to a specific category, such as fashion, electronics, and so on. Now, since I'm not currently logged in, there's not much else I can do. So in order to demonstrate more of the functionality, let me actually log in by entering a username and password. Now I'm logged in, and now if I go to a site, you can see that there are a number of additional options. I can add items to the watch list, place bids, or make comments. Let me start out by placing a bid on this article. I enter the required minimum amount into the field, press the button below, and you can see that I'm now the highest bidder. In order to make a comment, I enter some text into the field. Click on the button below, and you can see the comment's been created and is now displayed below the comment heading. Every profile has a watch list associated with it. In this case, the watch list is currently empty. In order to add an article to the watch list, I click on the button on top of the picture, and as you can see, the item has been added to the watch list. When I click on the button again, the article is removed from the watch list. In order to create a new listing, I follow the link in the header, enter a title and brief description for the new article, and for the image URL, I'm just going to grab an image from Google, and I'm going to copy the image address and paste it into the field. When I click the button on the bottom, the listing is created and is now displayed on the active listings page. As creator of the listing, I can also close the listing again. If I do that right now, the listing would simply be removed from the active listings page. However, if I was logged in as the user with the highest bid, I would receive a success message telling me that I'm the winner of the auction. So in order to demonstrate this, let me open up a second browser and let me copy the address of the app and paste it into here. And I'm going to log in with a different username, and I'm going to go to the newly created listing and place a bid. Now if I go back to the first browser and close the listing, you can see that the listing has been removed from the active listings page. If I go back to the second browser and refresh the page, you can see that I get a message telling me that I'm the winner of the auction. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is the Django admin site, which is a really useful feature built into Django that facilitates the handling of common administrative tasks. So in order to access the admin area, I go to the address bar and type /admin after the port number. And now I can log in with my admin username and password. On the left-hand side, you can see a list of all the models I've created. Within the admin area, I can change any feature of any item belonging to any model. For example, I could change the title of a particular listing, or the description, or category. I could delete or create new listings, and similarly for the other models. So this is a really useful feature that makes dealing with these sorts of tasks a lot more convenient. I think this is going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I see you for the next one.